Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Slips and falls around machinery, injuries from unstable equipment, and faulty or ungrounded electrical components all pose significant dangers. Fire risks are also present in machine shops, and depending on the type of equipment or machining operations, CNC machines could also be at a higher risk of fire.
Let's help you make your mark.
We hate to break it to you, potential machinist, but yeah, you'll be pretty stressed out in this job. You work under tight deadlines, for low pay, in order to create a very particular product. Around 20% of machinists work in a machine shop.
Let's help you make your mark.
CNC programmer career outlook. One of the most exciting aspects of pursuing a career in the CNC industry is the job outlook. Currently, there is a skills gap, which has led to a high demand for machinists and programmers. CNC machines are used around the world.
Take our lead.
Is CNC programming hard to learn? Very basic CNC programming is easy to learn, provided that you understand basic math and have a grasp of how machining works. Intermediate programming skills can be learned within a year, and advanced CNC programming can take several years to learn.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.